Signs of unlicensed construction work here in Las Vegas. There's a Stratosphere and the Luxor that I drew for you guys. Purpose of this video is to tell you guys why unlicensed work and spotting it out is important in the 4 main giveaways. First thing, unlicensed work is risky because it usually results in more defects that are inside the walls that I can't see as a home inspector. Those generally result in defects that are costly to fix and result in unexpected catastrophes like explosions and things that'll make you sad. There's 4 main giveaways for this that are in the landscaping, roofing, electrical, and plumbing systems of the home. So landscaping, if I see poor drainage, inadequate stucco clearance, and exposed irrigation lines, those are all signs that the work was unlicensed. Next one is in roofing, exposed nail heads and an improperly flashed RTU. I'll see someone throw up a new roof and they just fly through it real fast and they don't understand how the materials are supposed to lap over and under each other, and this is a common run, especially at the RTU. The next one is electrical. Too many GFCIs, and I know that the person that installed it doesn't actually understand how GFCIs work, because if they did, they would realize you just need 1 GFCI per circuit that's in a wet area, and that's it. If there's any sort of ground fault that occurs from that, it's gonna trip the whole circuit and cut off power, whether you have 1 or whether you have 10. And so you really just want 1. The next one is too few GFCIs. If I see this, I know the person that installed this work doesn't actually understand the requirements for GFCIs. And this person isn't licensed. And the reason I get that hunch is because everyone knows that they update the electrical requirements, especially on GFCIs, every few years. And it's every few years, they're telling you to put them somewhere else. And when I see that there's say a laundry room doesn't have that, that's been out for a while. And that's how I know that someone that's doing the work doesn't actually understand this requirement. Last one is splices outside of J boxes. That's a very elementary electrical work, and that's how I know that the person isn't licensed, because it's just so important that you have those all in a J box. The next one is plumbing, right? Water heaters are so tightly regulated on how they're built. Clear giveaways right there. Poorly secured plumbing connections throughout the house, and then temporary materials used in permanent applications. This is my favorite, because when I see any of these things in brown, it's a hint that there was unlicensed work that's going to end up costing my client a bunch of money to fix and lead to unexpected catastrophes, ultimately because there's probably more defects inside the walls that I can't see. If you found this video helpful, we have tons of other videos like this on our Instagram page. Be sure to check it all out. And if you're ever needing a home inspection in the Las Vegas area, hit us up. We'd love to work with you.